Bobby wants breakfast for dinner. This is how it goes in my house, like real life, how it happens. I'm making Bobby's dinner and he wants breakfast for dinner. So pancakes. I just need to melt this butter. I got some flour, some salt, some sugar, 1 egg, some butter in here. It's going in there. And I got some milk. Let me get that. I added 2 cups of milk. It was supposed to be 1 1/4 cups of milk. This is why it's gonna come out runny, and I have to end up adding another cup of flour to make it actually happen. That's the rice, flour, baking powder, and sugar. I'll edit it. I always burn the first pancake I make. I don't know why. It's just like a thing that happens. It's a curse. Someone's like me trying to cook rice. Curse. It's fine. First one can burn. The rest will be great. Oh, this was the first pancake I made. Oh, he took a bite of it and he was like, yeah, too thin. Too runny. Yeah. Garbage, basically. I think my mixture is a little bit wet. Or my heat's not high enough. Let's turn that up. Got on like a 8.5. Let's try it again. Oh, I think my pancakes are too runny. This weather. I'm going nuts. I'll wait for bubbles. Just form on top. Come on, bubbles. Bubble, 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 bubble. You know how many times in my life I make pancakes? I've raised 3 children. I know how to do it. For some reason, every time I try to film myself doing it, it's jacked up. What the hell? All right. I don't see any bubbles, but we're gonna flip because I don't think it's burning. Yeah. Turned it down a little bit. Now we're on about a 7. Let it cook, hopefully through. You know what? He smothers them with peanut butter anyway, so I don't think he really cares. Wrong place. Nope, not done. Back in there. Garbage in the trash. I added more flour and sugar to this. It was too thin. Still kind of thin, but a little bit at a time. Let's see. I should have added a little bit more baking powder. My bad. Cook until I get little bubbles. I made rice. Ah. I'm going to clean these dishes so I can put that gumbo up. Get your temperature and put it in the fridge. Yeah. Make Bobby's dinner first, and then we'll do that. Not quite yet. Just thinking about it. Oh. Really? Okay. Cook. A little bit higher. 6.5, 7. Ah, and I dropped my spoon in the bowl. Let me fix this. Come on, buddy. Get it. Wow. This is getting cooked. Bobby's team that he wants to win is not winning. It's fine. He grew up playing football, so to him he's all like, he takes it personal a little bit. Alright, over pancakes. I got it for dinner. I'll do the rest later. Some previously smoked sausage. Oh, it's got skin on it. Pull that off. And a little bit of bacon. This is previously cooked and smoked sausage and bacon. It's ready to go. It just needs to be warmed up. I'm eating this piece. Just getting it warm. And then we're gonna make some dipping eggs. Yes, we are. You hear Bobby yelling. It's not at me. It's because of the football game. But anyway, I'm gonna make some dipping eggs. That's something I can do. Hopefully. Oh, I don't stir it up because I'm filming this. I usually use bacon grease, but I don't have any. So this is spray olive oil. And I'm going to, let's start off 3. You don't want it too hot, you don't want it too cold. I only got 4 to play with. Hopefully I don't jack it up. I've got biscuits. I've got pancakes. I've got bacon and sausage. We're about to have dipping eggs. That's dinner. Then I gotta put all this away for him to take to work tomorrow and share with his friends, because it's way too much for us to eat. Really yummy. Way too much for us to eat. Son of a bitch! Don't call his mama dad. You can't rush eggs. I don't know, I can put one in there. See what happens. If it doesn't work out, it can be mine. And normally I would have bacon grease and I'd be like splashing it around. I don't have that. I don't have bacon, so. Tad salt. Tad pepper. Good boy. Now cook. Keep doing this. And this big piece of shrimp, I'm eating that. That's mine. Mm-hmm. Mine.
Well, this is going to be Kansas City.
Kansas City can win. Mahomes has got this shit.
This fucking bro, fucking catch.
Hey, you can't talk like that. Yeah, this is what it's really like in my kitchen when I'm trying to cook. Anyway, if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. And there are plenty of videos where I don't just jack everything up, okay?